Let's draw a penguin. A tall round body. Your turn. A big soft tummy. One eye. Two eyes. A tiny orange beak. A big flappy wing. Flap, flap, two wings. Great job!